Here's a quick video on how to make a photocopy at our Sutton Group Mississauga location, otherwise known as the Konica Minolta Bizhub C258. So when you approach the screen, if it is dark in sleep mode, you're just going to tap it until it wakes up. Okay, you'll see the login screen appearing here. You just type in your copier code. Okay. Once your copier code is in, you're going to press this login button here on the screen. To make a copy, you're simply going to press the copy button. Okay, it's automatically set for 1 copy. If you'd like more, just tap the number 1 and enter in how many copies you'd like. Close when you're done. Okay. If you'd like it in full color, you can see it's automatically changed to black and white. We'll just tap that black and white button and change it to full color. I take my piece of paper that I want to copy, put it in the top tray, face up, and press the start button. And in just a few seconds, I should have my 2 full color copies. There we go. Perfect.